What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be making pig in a blanket, and that is it. I'm tired, exhausted. If you have been working all day and you just want to give your kiddos something quick and simple, you can do it with your own dough, but you can also use any kind of dough that you want to use. So let's bust into this and get started. I had to turn my kitchen light off. Whoa. So my daughter wants me to leave her one. She's like, I just want one biscuit. So I'm gonna leave her one of the biscuits in here, and then I'm gonna make all of these. So what you want to do is go ahead and just tilt it down. Go ahead and just get your dough out. I'm gonna show you one, and then, because I don't want this to be a long video, I want this to be a short video. So I'm going to flatten these out, almost like when I did the chicken pot pies. I'm going to flatten this out, and then I'm going to cut into it. But I'm trying to flatten it into like a square. A dough cutter per se, but I do have a pizza cutter. So what I'm going to do is make strips, just like so. So I got 3 strips here, and that's all you're gonna do for that. These are the sausages that I'm using, and my oven is set to 350 degrees. So I'm gonna cut into this. I don't know if this is gonna cut out. Just a little small smokies like this. Fill these. And I'm going to pat them dry with a paper towel, because you don't want them to go on the dough wet. If you want to use cheese in this, you can. I won't be doing that. So you can see what I'm doing because I'm not showing you. You're going to just dry them off with the moisture that was from the bag. I'm gonna move some of these down. You take one of the smokies, and you're just simply rolling that smoky up. If you want to sprinkle these with a little flake salt, you can do that, or kosher salt, you can do that as well. So when you get to the end, so that it stays together, just kind of pinch it and pat it down. So you have your smoky right here. So I'm going to do the rest of these, and I'm going to put them in the oven. I miscounted on these right here, so I just tried 2 in 1. So we're gonna see what that comes out looking like. Now I'm gonna place these in the oven. Bake at 350 for 14 to 17 minutes. So I like to have a pan, and then these right here have little slots or whatever on them, so that, you know, it can breathe. So I'm just gonna lightly spray some vegetable oil, and then I'm going to line these up, and I'm gonna go with the grate that's on there. So where the line is, that's what I'm going to do, but I'm going to spread them out. Making sure that the side that I pinched together is facing down.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me?
And here you are. Your pig in a blanket. And then I have my daughter's biscuit right here. So let me get a bite. Okay guys, so they are done and let's get into it. Let's try the one that has 2 in it. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. All the way over here. Here we go. This is the one that I wrapped 2 in. Look, came out just perfect. I like using this right here. I find sometimes it's a little wet when I don't use this. So, ooh, y'all found my hack. This was my hack. A can under here. So anyway, let's try this. Nice and fluffy. I like to eat mine with syrup. Let me know down below how you eat your pigs in the blanket. Do you put cheese in it or not? Or do you use syrup to dip it in or just cover it with? Or do you use ketchup? This is good. I don't have little kids here. I have 7 grandkids, but they live in South Carolina, so. Try it.